Yo, what's going on, guys? Michael Livingston here. I just want to give you guys, just a little free little tutorial on exactly how I trade. I call it the KISS method, so that's what I call it. Keep it simple, stupid, honestly, because investing is all about making it simple on yourself. Because trading in the Forex market is honestly 90% psychological and 10% actually knowing where the markets are going to go. What happens with Forex is they take the money from the impatient people's pockets and they put it in the patient people's pockets, guys. So I'm going to show you guys just a quick little way that, I actually trade. Now, this may or may not make sense to you, but I'm going to try to make it as simple as possible. I might even dive deeper in the future for more YouTube videos and get more, even more simpler into it, like what a pip is, how to manage your risk, all that kind of stuff. But I want to get a video, guys, out there for you guys that you might know just a little bit about Forex, and this might make sense. And even if you don't know anything about Forex, you're going to understand just from this video how simple you can really make this. Because what we do when we're reading the charts is we just look at the past, and the past repeats itself time in and time over again. So I'm going to show you guys real quick, just for instance, the trade that I got in, not only for myself, but I actually called this trade out to not only the free signal group that I'm in. So if you're not in the free signal group, click the link in the bio below. You'll see it'll say free signals or whatnot. You'll see the group right there. I also have a paid group also, to where there's, obviously more signals and everything like that, but still in the free group, you're still making money with me for free, guys. So at least join me there and, make some free money with me. I literally tell you when I'm buying and selling trades, so you can literally just copy and paste, the trades I'm in. So not only am I able to do that, but all the accounts that I manage also, they're all on the same trades too, so I've got multiple different people that I'm managing their accounts, and, with the click of a button, they're in the same trade that I'm in. So real quick, we're going to go over AUD USD. I'm going to take this stuff off my screen real quick. I don't make any excuses when I make videos and stuff. I can't make them absolutely perfect. I've got a kid. So if you hear him in the background, just please excuse him. But yeah, you heard him. He knows what's up. Remove all drawings. So guys, when I'm first looking at a chart, the first thing I'm looking at is honestly usually the day chart. And what I'll do is I'll mark up, different support and resistance areas, right? So what I mean by that is areas where you see that it's not breaking to the upside or the downside. And you guys are going to see what I'm talking about here, real quick. So, for instance, let's just scroll over to, we'll just stop the screen, right here. If you notice, it's a very hard for price when it was over here to break right here. It failed to break, failed to break, failed to break, failed to break, right? And then at the bottom right here, you call that your, so I like to call it, your ceiling and your floor. They call it support and resistance, okay? So you'll hear me call it support, resistance, ceiling, floor. I like to make it easy though. This is your ceiling. It's like it's a bouncy ball. It hits the ceiling, bounces off, and it keeps doing that. I don't sell or buy off of these, because with Forex, if you buy the market and it goes up, you make money. If you buy the market and it goes down, you lose money. But if you sell the market and it goes down, you actually make money. That's the best thing about Forex. No matter if the market's going up or down, you can actually make money. So the first things you want to do is set up your support and resistance areas. And, notice where there's multiple touches where it can't break. And then, like, for instance, I'm going to show you guys, we got into a trade just because of this. Once you see the market actually break out of a support or resistance area, that is so crucial, because what I'll do is, as soon as it breaks, what I'll do is I'll look to my left and I will go from the body to wick of the last candle over to the left. And what I mean by that is, you guys see here, I'll delete this real quick and zoom in more. You guys see how there is a body right here and then a wick? I'll make sure that I draw from the body to the wick, right? And then what I'll do, since we just saw price break, so this is what it would look like in real time. See, a lot of people would see a break and then they start buying it. That's not what you want to do, because at any time that thing could shoot right back down. I'll show you examples of that probably on other videos. But what you can do right here is then just add a 0 to this, and it will actually, take the negative sign out, add a 0, and it'll drag it all the way across your screen. Because basically what we're looking for is price to come back and retest in this zone So break the resistance and then come back and show as support. So break the ceiling and then show that it is now a new floor instead of a ceiling. So what we're waiting for is we see price broke. Now we're waiting for it to come back. And if we see price come back into this area and we see a candle close on whatever time frame you're looking at, and it's, you know, a green candle, blue candle, whatever it is, if it's an upward candle, then you would hop into the trade. So let's sit here and watch. Okay, so look, as you can see, it came back and retested where it couldn't break at. As you can see, it was a green candle form that you would automatically get in the buy. And just from here, so what I would do is if I were to get into the buy right here, I put my first take profit where price was rejecting at when it went to its last high. So you would automatically took those profits, moved your stop loss into profit. And then if that trade would have continued to go, it would have continued to go. But guys, just off of this, off of a $500 account, you could have easily made anywhere from $200 to $300 off of a, let's see, off a 10-cent lot, you'd have made $120, you know, simple as that. And that's literally with a $500 account using proper risk management. So I'm going to actually show you guys the trade that I just called in the Telegram chat, which I'll actually show you guys that too. So again, we're over here now. So we're going to redo everything. I'm going to show you guys actually in the Telegram. Buy AUD USD now. That was at 1056. Stop loss at 73070. Okay, guys. So I'm going to show you guys the trade real quick. We're gonna buckle down. We'll first run the day chart. So we want to mark up our, you know, our support and resistance, you know, on the day chart. Boom. Simple as that. We just care about what's happening right here. Now, boom, we hop into the 4 hour. We do the same exact thing, right? Same exact thing. If we're looking at this right here, this is a major area of support and resistance, or yeah, support and resistance. Boom. So look at here, guys. So now I go, this is where I look at as the 1 hour time frame. So what I saw here is the same thing, exactly what I'm talking about. Price was stuck in this area, right? Now, this is, for instance, like you see how this, it broke right here, and then people would have got in for the buy, and then boom, it just shot right back down because there was no candle that was, you know, in a bullish, which means upward candle close here. No upward candle close. It was a red candle, and it went right back through. Like, as you guys will see right here, price broke. Now, if I see a red candle go through here, I'm not getting in the trade. Now, what happened is, boom, we saw a green candle right there. And that's immediately when I called the trade right there. And then I had the stop loss, like I said, just under this candle at 0.730, whatever it was. You guys can go back and look. But as you can see, I just put the stop loss just below that last wick. And as you can see, price, you know, like I put my first take profit literally right here. Price came up to there. It hit my take profit. Now I got my stop loss literally right under this area right here. So I've already collected profits. This is why it's the KISS method. Keep it simple, stupid. Wait for price to break support or resistance. Wait for it to come back and retest. And if it retests and you see your candle right there form and it closes, you got to wait for it to close on the hour. Then you hop in the trade. Now, if this would have been a red candle and gone back into the zone, then I wouldn't have got back in because most likely price would have came back down, right? And we're not going to take the chances on that. I like to have it be confirmed. So as soon as I saw price break and I saw it come back and we saw that green candle right there, it was absolutely game over. We got in for the buy and we go for the last high for our first take profit. Simple as that. So, you know, our first take profit got hit. So I honestly, I try to keep it safe. You know, some people, they might put it up to the wicks. You know, I put it just a little bit below just to make sure that I guarantee those profits. And now, as you can see, it is well into profit. It's up over 60 pit or up over. I actually got in like right here because I was looking at it on the 30-minute chart. I'll just be safe though. When I called it, it was right around the 300 mark. So we're up about 40 something pips. So, you know, on a $500 account, you're up about 40, 50 bucks. You know, on a $2,500 to $5,000 account, you know, you're up about, you know, $400, you know, because it's 40 pips. 40 pips, every 10 pips is $100, guys. And it's that simple. That's, I've got multiple different sources of income. I've got a free video on drop shipping you guys can go check out. I'm going to be adding a newer one because I don't use DHgate or AliExpress anymore, but you guys are going to learn at least the method and exactly how I do it. But just know that I use US retailers now and stuff like that, which I'm going to make an updated video on that as long as I can get some feedback on this. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to this video, and I will be providing way more information for you guys. A lot of free content out there for people, that can't afford, any mentorships or anything like that. But if you guys are looking, to get into any of my private groups, whether it's my Forex private group or my, drop shipping group, personally message me on Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram below in the video. I'm also going to leave my email address. That way you can get a contact with me there. And like I said, I'm going to put my free signals chat also in the description. That way you guys can at least make some free money with me, guys. So, I hope you guys can, make some free money with me, and then maybe we can do something here in the future, guys. If not, keep making that free money. I have no problem with it. I absolutely love helping people make money. That is what I love to do. It's the messages that I get of, people going, I was able to quit my job, or, I was able to help my mom. Like, just, there's certain things I could get into right now. I just don't want to make this video too long. I want it to be educational. And that's it. If I wanted to be a motivational video, it would be a lot different, guys. But I hope you guys got some information from this. Comment below some more things that you'd like me to go over, whether it's over the charts, like if you want me to go over risk management, if you want me to go over, whatever it is you want me to go over, tell me about that. Drop a comment below on this video, or if you want me to go, whatever you want me to go over, because I'm doing a drop shipping video next. Okay, guys. And so whatever you guys want me to put in that free drop shipping video, comment on this video also, guys. So in about 2 to 3 days, you guys will see me posting another free video about drop shipping. I'm just going to give you guys some time to comment. So I hope you guys have a good one. You guys take it easy, and I will see you guys soon. Peace.